Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to use and how to set the night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly, let's begin with customization. So let's enter the settings and tap on the display. Here we've got the option eye comfort shield and we can turn it on without actually any customization, just upon the switcher. And as you can see, and the screen turns a little bit yellowish, it is obviously in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen and a dim light. So you can leave it like this if you want to, but you can also customize it. So just upon the eye comfort shield, and as you can see, here we've got the switcher, which is responsible for changing the color temperature. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler. It is almost invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer. What's more, you can set the schedule, so after tapping on it, you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. But you can also custom it, so after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the start time. So let me pick something like that maybe, and the end time also. You can tap on done, and as you can see, it is set here, and the screen is still yellow. It is because we are between the set hours, but let me leave it turned off. Actually, let's set it always on. So this is the whole customization of this feature. As you can see on the home page, we've got a lot of differences actually. I mean, it is very visible here. So if you would like to have much faster access to this feature, you do not have to enter the settings. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the eye comfort shield icon, which is right here. So after tapping on it, you can see that the screen turns back to its normal state. Obviously, you can tap on it again in order to turn it on. So actually, this is it. This is how to how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.